9th of May 2025.
Yeah.
This is also on Adlercreutzinkatu. Was that which one? 13 to 15?
11 to 13.
11 to 13, yes. Built in 1988 by Valmet Otis with series 5 fixtures. Similar speed model in the 0388 and capacity storm was at 20 factors. 4 floors, 2 rides here. Oh, this was for one, but
Yeah.
it's fast for just 4 floors.
Yeah.
And it's also an outer elevator from the outside, I think.
Yeah. Niin sit vaan kiva, kun me eteenpäin Spohissi.
Yes, that's it. That's so much.
That's